just finished my first two classes and I have one talk today, and I just wanted to say na I'm very thankful for those bookings. Like, it was really a challenge. At first, I was so kabado talaga, grabe. Pero sana natuto sila sa akin. I really hope that they learn from me, and I really hope na matandaan nila yung lesson ko. And of course, I want them to book again, but if not, I'm still thankful, and I know I can do a lot better. When I rewatch the videos, I can see a lot of things that I can improve on. Pero, alam mo yun, parang for a first timer, okay na rin. Kasi alam ko namang kabado, ang daming iniisip, ang daming, I don't know, inisip ko yung rewards, yung TBR, yung sasabihin ko, kailan sila magsasalita, kailan ako magsasalita, anong gagawin namin, paano siya matutuwa. It's a very wow. Yung una kong student was so energetic and very, very nakikisama siya. Pero, hindi niya binabasa. Hindi niya alam. It's just the words. Parang yung naririnig niya lang saka yung picture. Which is, I think it's good na rin kasi level 0 lang naman. So, very bata pa naman siya. Matututo pa siya. Yung isa naman, so challenging. Ang hirap ng, alam kong tamad na siya at pagod na siya. Pero, kailangan niya mag-lesson. Baka pagod na rin siya sa school. Dapat mas in-engage ko pa siya. Dapat hindi ako nahahawa sa kung anong pinapakita ng student sa akin. Dapat ako yung joy nila na, okay, makakapahinga ako ng konti kay teacher. Mag-enjoy ako ng konti kay teacher. I think that's something that I really need to remember. And I need to remember na it's a conversation. It's an engagement. So, hindi siya dapat one-sided or hindi ako nag-represent lang ng demo. It's an interaction. So, remember that. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Good luck sa next lessons.